Welcome to Tech Crumbs. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of an AirTag. In this case, the battery is not dead, but we're going to show you either way. So the Apple made it user exchangeable, so you can basically open the AirTag and change it. You have to put 2 fingers and rotate counterclockwise, so to the left. So I'm going to put the fingers and with a little bit of pressure, just twist it till we basically hear that it opens. Now we have the back plate, which can be put in basically any position. And then we have the battery, which is a CR2032. These will last around a year, so you can remove it, change it for a new one. You do want to have the plus sign looking upwards, so that way it's connected. You can actually hear it chirping every time. Every time we connect it, it will chirp. And now we can put the battery cover over, and we just have to spin it a little bit. And once it goes down, then we have to press firmly and turn clockwise, which would be to the right in this case. So we turn clockwise, and that would be changed. So that is how you change the battery on an AirTag. I hope that helped. And let me know if you want any content on the AirTag, and I will do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.